And I'm going to go down the body slide. We're going to have some fun. My first time on it. Yeah. Okay, camera, don't be worried either. I'm right in it with you.
I'll probably go on Drew's slide next time.
Okay. Okay, he's gonna go and then I'm gonna go. Okay? How do you know when they say?
They look at the guy and then he signals to them if they're ready. Either one or number two. Watch.
Okay. 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 Well, that was so much fun. And there's Daddy. You can tell I went fast because I was doing that. Whoa, that was my first time! That was fun! I'm gonna do it again! Okay.
Now, how much more are you gonna do that?
Maybe one more time at least.
Because I'm afraid the battery will run out, but wait, is Daddy gonna go with you? Would I be scared to do it? Is it fast?
Yeah, it's probably too fast for you.